Are you installing LVP flooring in your house? Let me go ahead and run through some quick tools that you'll need to get the job done. If you're new to the channel, my name's Connor, and me and my wife have spent the past 2 years trying to renovate our house. We had a bad fire in our garage and it caused smoke damage all throughout the house. At the end of the day, we needed to restart from scratch, tear all the sheetrock down, remove all the cabinets, strip everything back down to the studs, and then rebuild. We re-sheetrocked everything, added in an HVAC system, kitchen, and now we're working on the flooring. So that's a little bit about our journey, but let's go ahead and get into what tools you'll need to tackle this LVP flooring install. The first tool you'll need is a hitting block. You can pick these up at Home Depot, Lowe's, pretty much anywhere for around like $10 to $15, but you want to pair it with a good size hammer. You're gonna take this, you're gonna set the block up, and as you go along, you're gonna just slowly tap it all throughout and make sure that lip then clicks into the adjoining LVP flooring, and it'll click into place, and then you continue to build it on after that. These are the first two tools that are pretty essential. Again, you can pick these up pretty much anywhere. Let me do a little trial run with this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I got the flooring right here. You're gonna come in, make sure it's flush, lay it flat. Then with the block and hammer, tap it on this side. Here it's good. As you can see, all the joints are nice and tight. There's no cracks along the way. And there we go. We'll continue this pattern down, but that's how you use the block and the hammer. Let me show you what I get into tight spaces. There's another tool that you definitely need when you're laying LVP flooring. When you reach tight areas where you can't use the block to hit it in, you don't have enough room for the hammer to slowly kind of tap it, you're gonna use this, it's called a pull bar. I don't know if you can see that. And because I can't take this block and hit it because it's too tight, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take this bad boy, make sure it's all lined up, and just slowly tap it in. One tip when you're using this pull bar is it will damage your LVP. Sometimes this tends to ride up and it can get on the face of the LVP and oh man, it'll rip through it. So just making sure you have a good, solid, firm grip on the pull bar while you're hitting it. Tight as you can. Don't let there be any movement while you're hitting the bar. Slow hits as you go along and slowly work it in. And that's how you use this little pull bar action. Really handy, definitely need it. So another tool you'll need is a planer. I got this one from Bosch, and then also a level. Essentially, before laying down any of the LVP flooring, I have another video of where I added pine plywood all throughout the first floor because the subfloors were horrible. Working right here, there is a high spot in between the two transitions where the two pieces of subfloor meet. I'm gonna knock those down, maybe take another level and keep laying the flooring. We're in our soon-to-be laundry room. This is where I've been making all the cuts. It's pretty cramped in here. One thing I gotta use is a square to make this cut, and then also an oscillating tool. This is a Milwaukee oscillating tool. Because it's LVP, it's nice and easy. I don't like cutting it with the utility knife. I think this is just a lot cleaner and a lot faster. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mark it and we'll cut it. What's nice about finishing right by that cabinet is now I can work the opposite way. So instead of going one way the entire time, instead of going back this way the entire time, now I can cut back over here and lay this first piece as so. and then continue back the other way. There's been a lot of progress, so let's just keep chugging away at it. So I'm running into another corner piece. So you can see I'm gonna have to cut this. So I'm gonna line it up just as tight as I can. I'm gonna do a mark about 1/4 inch off the wall. And then I want to continue it because it's around this corner here. And I'm gonna set it over here and then give it another mark. And then we'll cut it on the chop saw. Alright guys, that's all we got going on for tonight. So I was able to get past the island and just continue on installing the LVP. I have about 3 or 4 more rows left and then I'm completely done. We'll be able to install the appliances. In the future, I have a couple of videos coming out for the installing a farmhouse sink and microwave in the island. So stay tuned for that. But if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.